Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study one of the transformation of sentences, that is assertive into exclamatory. We have already studied what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is also called as declarative sentence or a positive statement. Now, assertive to exclamatory, there is a rule. I have given the rules here to understand the concept very easily. Now, rule number 1, what oblique how plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus at the end exclamatory mark. Now, what is applied when there is a or an? How is applied when there is no a and an? This is I have given for your kind information. Now one sentence I will read, assertive. It is a very beautiful place. Now in this sentence article A is present, so we are using what? What a beautiful place it is. So at the end exclamatory mark. In the same way, second one, when to use how. The man is very honest. In this sentence, there is no a or an. So, we are going to use how. How honest the man is and exclamatory mark. Rule number 2. Assertive sentence. I wish exclamatory if or had you have to use. For example, I wish I had the wings of a bird. Suppose there is I wish I had the wings of a bird. You can make use either if or had. Had I the wings of bird? Exclamatory mark. Or if I had the wings of a bird? Exclamatory mark. In the same way, second one, I wish I were a king. Exclamatory. If I were a king, exclamatory mark is very, very important at the end of the sentence. Rule number 3. Suppose assertive sentence, I wish oblique I desire. Exclamatory sentence, you have to make use if or had, oh that, oh that. Assertive, I wish I were a player. Exclamatory, if I were a player. So I wish it goes. If I were a player. I desire I were a young again. Oh, that I were young again. You can make use of if that, oh that, or oh that, or say only oh that. Okay. Now here I have given the examples. Change the following assertive sentences into exclamatory sentence. You can make use of formula and complete the given sentences. Please follow the formulas to solve the examples. Now exclamatory into assertive. How to convert exclamatory into assertive? There are total 9 rules. So one by one you have to read it. Now first one, exclamatory to assertive. Subject plus verb plus a oblique and plus very oblique great plus adjective. Now I'll read the exclamatory sentence. What a nice flower it is! Exclamatory mark. Answer, it is a very nice flower. Subject you have to take. Okay. What a genius student he is! He is very genius student. In the same way, rule 2. Hooray! Exclamatory to assertive. Suppose there is a hooray. The word is used. Okay. So hooray, it is a matter of joy plus hooray. Exclamatory. Hooray, exclamatory mark, we have won the game. Now how you will write? It is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Next example. Hooray, I got the first prize. It is a matter of joy that I have got the first prize. Okay. Rule 3. Exclamatory sentence. If I were a player. So, I wish I were a player. If I could fly. I wish I could fly. In the same way, rule 4. Had we use subject plus wish plus subject plus had. Had I the pairs of birds. I wish I had the pair of pairs of birds. Had I been a king! Exclamatory mark. I wish I had been a king. Very easy to transform these sentences. In the rule number 6. Alas! Exclamatory to assertive. Alas, it is a matter of sorrow. That plus alas. Alas, we lost the game. How to write assertive now? It is a matter of sorrow that we lost the game. So in this way, dear students, you refer all the rules and solve it. It's very easy to transform the assertive into exclamatory and exclamatory into assertive. In the same way, rule number 7. Five exclamatory to assertive. 5, it is shameful that plus 5. 5 exclamatory mark. He cannot tolerate the rules. Now rule number 8. Would that exclamatory to assertive. Subject plus wish plus would that. Would that I could be a player, exclamatory mark. I wish I could be a player. Would that I could be a child again. I wish I could be a child again. Rule number 9. Now we are making use of oh that exclamatory to assertive. Again subject plus wish plus oh that. Oh that you are a cricketer, exclamatory mark. I wish you were a cricketer. Oh that I were a poet. I wish I were a poet. Total there are 9 rules I have given to transform exclamatory sentence into assertive. My dear students, very easy if you follow the formulas or the examples whichever I have given. Kindly write all the rules in your notebook and solve the given examples. Now change the following exclamatory sentences into assertive. This is an assignment. In the previously also I have given, that is when you transform assertive into exclamatory, I have given some sentences to change it into assertive to exclamatory. Now this exclamatory sentences into assertive sentence. So kindly follow the rules. When there is a and an in the statement, you make use of what, and if there is no a and an, we make use of how. Please follow the formulas and solve all the assignments. Thank you and have a nice day.